Contact us for special internet pricing. Peeler BMW is pleased to present this 2007 BMW 328xi with an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and 45,302 miles. This vehicle has a black sapphire metallic exterior, a brown leather interior, and comes with some fabulous features including voice command, real-time traffic information, dynamic cruise control, adaptive light control, rain sensor and automatic headlights, retractable headlight washers, tire pressure monitor, navigation system, moonroof, multifunction steering wheel, rear park distance control, xenon headlights, automatic climate control, ambience lighting, premium package, sport package, and a cold weather package. The premium package consists of universal garage door opener, auto-dimming mirrors, auto-dimming rear view mirror, power front seats, lumbar support, digital compass mirror, and BMW Assist with Bluetooth system, while the Sport package includes sports leather steering wheel and sport seats. The cold weather package consists of heated front seats and fold-down rear seats with ski bag. As with all of our vehicles, it is Carfax certified. For more information, please call us at 800-474-4197. Peeler BMW looks forward to assisting you with your vehicle purchase.
Call us today to schedule a test drive. We're conveniently located on Route 7 in Latham, New York, just west of the Circle.